Hey, so if you're already using ClickUp and you're wondering how to upgrade your plan in 2026 without confusion, this guide is for you. I'll walk you through the full process step by step from logging in to confirming your upgrade. So, yeah, you know exactly what to do. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Once the page loads, log in using your email address and password. After signing in, you'll land inside your workspace dashboard, and this is where you manage everything, including billing and plan settings. Now, to upgrade your plan, look for your profile picture or avatar, usually in the bottom corner. Click on it, and from the menu, choose Settings or Billing and Plans, depending on how ClickUp labels it in 2026. This section shows your current plan and all available upgrade options. Inside the plans area, you'll see different ClickUp plans listed. There's usually a free plan, one or two mid-level paid plans, and higher plans for growing teams or businesses. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, like advanced automations, dashboards, time tracking, goals, and more storage. Think about what your team actually needs so you don't pay for features you won't use. Once you decide which plan fits your workflow, click the Upgrade or Select Plan button. ClickUp will then ask you to choose how many users or seats you want. Pricing is usually per user, so only include people who really need full access. If you're unsure, start with your core team and adjust later. Next, you'll be asked to enter your payment details, add your preferred payment method, and review the billing summary. You may see monthly and yearly billing options. Yearly billing often comes with a discount, which can save money if you plan to use ClickUp long term. After confirming payment, your upgrade will be applied instantly. Your workspace will unlock the new features right away. If you ever need to downgrade or change plans, you can return to the same billing section anytime. And that's basically it. Upgrading your ClickUp plan is simple once you know where to look and how to choose based on your team's needs. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel.